Guys, we're looking at a downhill on a sloping curve. Watch how the ball moves. You don't have to hit the ball that hard because it's going downhill. But watch how it moves. Definitely has a curve on it. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Bam! Job completed. Let's try that again. Hole with a sloping curve. You don't have to hit it that hard. Okay, see, I'm gonna try to run away. Look at it. Try to run away from it. You gotta at least hit it pretty hard so it can kind of catch the curve. Here we go. Here we go. Bam. You see? Too much is rolling. Got to be the right speed. Look how far I rolled down. You have to hit it that hard, but you got to hit the right speed. Here we go. I need to turn. I need it to turn. I'll take that. I'll take that. All right, guys. I'll make y'all a promise. If I can hit the stick again, I'm good. I'm finished with putting for today. Here we go. Now, how do I know I'm going to hit the stick? I don't know. But I believe in myself well enough to know that this whole curve, that if I play the right speed and the right shot, I should get back to the cup again. Here we go. Boy, you never want to be short. Here we go. I like all of them. I'm just inching closer to the cup. Come on, baby. I need you to turn. Turn to the hole. Turn to the hole. Oh, we can't count that. I touched it. All right. It's got to be to the hole on its own. And I'm going home. And I'm going home. And I'm going home. Bam! I'm going home. I won't go home. I need to stand alone. I need to stand alone by itself. Here we go, guys. This putting is so much fun. Here we go. I must hit that stick. Don't be short. You want to be short when there's money on the line. That was a $100,000 shot I could have. Here we go. Hit the stick. Oh my God, what are you doing to me? I like the putt. It's short, but that's not what I want. I want to hit the stick. Here we go. Put a little more juice on it. Yes. For every person who thought that was luck, I'll do it again. Cup dropper. Look it up on my video. Find out what a cup dropper is. Okay? Not enough on it. You don't want to be short. Stop, stop, stop. Ooh, too much. Take a little bit off. Take a little bit off. Here we go. Turn, turn, turn. Do I get credit for that or no? I mean, it's right there. Y'all can give me credit or what? There are some viewers who don't want to give me credit. So must hit the stick. Fine. Fine. Going home when I hit the stick. Okay, we don't want to be short, guys. All right. Missed putt is an opportunity to see what you did wrong. Bam! I did it. For all you haters who didn't think I could do it again, I hit the stick. Now guess what? There's more haters in the world. I'm going to do it one more time and I'm going home.